Rick Crosslin here, and today I thought we should make an eclipse projector. This is one way to safely observe the total solar eclipse that we're all going to get to participate in April 2024. So instead of directly looking at the sun and using glasses, you can make a projector that captures the very same shadows and the sun. And all you need are a few things: a cardboard box, some aluminum foil, a white index card, some scissors, maybe a pocket knife, some tape, and a pencil. The idea is to construct this box, put your back to the sun, let the image come through the top aluminum foil and project onto the white index card. All you need to do is add a viewing hole to see it. Let's get started, shall we? So the first thing is, I have this box, and I'm going to reconstruct the box. And these are some boxes I got donated, which make it just about perfect for this projector. One part is going to be for the aluminum foil to go on. So I've cut me a piece of aluminum foil. And the reason I'm using aluminum foil is we will be able to take our pencil or ink pen and poke a very nice hole through this without it tearing or ripping. So that's what the foil's for. And then down here, I'm going to make a viewing port that I can look through, sunlight through, where I look through. So I've laid those out. I'm going to use my knife, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out my opening for the sunlight to go through. And down here, I'm going to make a smaller opening for me to view. There we go. So far, I'm going to look through here, and the sunlight's going to come through here. Okay. All right. So next steps. Let's get my piece of aluminum foil, and I'm going to tape it over the end of this. You want that to fill up the entire opening because you don't want sunlight coming in. It's important that the foil completely covers the opening. Now I'm not going to poke my hole yet until we get outside to check it out. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut off these two flaps on this one. This might make it easier for me to work with. Reconfirm where that is going to shoot at, and I'm going to tape it right about there. Poke a hole, sunlight comes in, hits our back screen, and we're about ready to go try it out. And here we have our solar eclipse projector. All I have to do is poke a hole and go outside and take a look. Let's go try it outside. So I've stepped outside with my solar eclipse cardboard box projector. All I need to do now is add a pinhole to it in the aluminum foil. So I have my pencil here. I'm going to make a small little hole right about there, and that's good enough. There's my hole, and it's a nice sunny day to test this out. I should see a beautiful disc. Let's see, my back to the sun. Let that come through, and there it is. Whoa, wow. It's amazing. I can see it right in there. And it's as easy as that to view the solar eclipse in a safe manner with the projected image inside our box.